requesting to join your online classes.
Yeah, but I take only limited admissions, limited, because this
So
is
how many benches do you take a day?
in morning. This 7 o'clock, then we have 8 o'clock, and after that there is one more batch 9 o'clock. Then in the evening 6 o'clock. But I just want to shut down all the evening batches. Only 3 morning batches will be running, 7, 8, and 9. This is what I have decided because I have to work for you too as well.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Yeah, guys.
Yes, yes.
Hello. Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. So, guys, I don't know how many new guys are there. However, I'm just going to start the class, guys. This is intermediate batch, so we have to do the news reporting. So, let me tell you what we are supposed to do today. Can you see this page?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I think
Please.
I had already sent this page to the group, yeah?
Yes, yes, yes. Yesterday we received this page, sir.
So as you know that this is news reporting program. News reporting program. In news reporting, there should be a breaking news. Any news, like whatever the news you saw. And we need some people. Suppose this is the TV studio. Well, there is a guy coming. Wait. So suppose this is the TV studio. In the studio
Yes.
there is a guy. Guys, turn off your audio please, because unnecessary sound is coming. So there is a guy. He is in the TV studio and he is saying that hello everyone, I am from blah blah news channel and there is a breaking news. You know, whatever the breaking news is there. Suppose a news is there that a boy killed himself. Suppose this is the news. A boy killed himself. So the person who is in the TV studio has to say this. This person will connect to the viewers. He will say that hello viewers, my name is Chandan Singh. I am from EWC News. Okay, and there is a breaking news that a boy killed himself. Now the person who is in the studio will connect to his correspondent. Correspondent means what? The person who is available on the spot at that place where this incident happened. Suppose there is
So
a girl.
can we use colleague word?
You can say colleague, but in Hindi it is called Samvaddaata, which is correspondent. So there are some technical words you already know. Yeah. Fine. So this person is going to connect to this girl. Suppose this girl is the main reporter. She is standing at the same place where this incident happened, and she has a mic in her hand. Okay, she has a mic
Yes.
in her hand, and there is a guy. There is a guy who is the cameraman. You know, the cameraman is shooting her. Is this what you see when news reporting is done?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes,
So
yes.
this
Yes,
is
sir.
the program we are supposed to do here. So we need at least 2 to 3 characters. One person is required who has limited dialogues, who can just speak that okay, I am from this channel and this is the breaking news. But the main role has to be played by the reporter. The reporter has to create a fake story on the spot and with great aplomb. That panache should be there, that style should be there. So this is what we are supposed to do here. So let's take a look. And if this girl wants, she can connect to any eyewitness also. She can say that okay, suppose there is a topic, a boy killed himself, so she will narrate a story that okay, there was a boy and blah 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 blah, something she will say. Then she can say that now I'm going to connect to the father of the boy, I'm going to connect to the mother of the boy, like this. Got the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fully challenging.
Fully challenging. That's why the guys are going to be called intermediate batch people. So let's get started without any further ado. So
Yes,
new people, whoever have just come today, they are just taking this class as a demo class. Let me tell you that you the guys have to see. If you think that this batch is totally beyond your understanding, then we have another program, another batch which is called basic batch. So you can join the basic batch. So guys, let's get started everyone. So I'm going to show you the topic. Now tell me who is going to select the first topic or second topic? You have to tell me like
Sir,
this.
Naresh, sir,
Naresh, which topic have you chosen?
Sir, the first topic. A rickshaw puller was pressed to death.
Okay, a rickshaw puller was thrashed to death. This is the topic. Okay,
Sir,
so tell me.
sir, can we use a beaten also?
Yeah, thrashed means more than beaten. You know,
Yeah,
that's
right.
it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So now, since rickshaw puller has been thrashed to death, so you have to connect to the wife of the rickshaw puller. One witness is required. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
So guys, anyone can just say right now that who would like to become the wife of the rickshaw puller, so that you should be aware of it. That person is coming to you to ask some questions. Otherwise, he can, at random he can choose anyone. So,
I can become, sir.
so Pawan wants to become the
Pawan,
wife of
yeah.
rickshaw puller.
Yes, yes.
Naresh is the reporter,
Yes, yes.
and I am the TV anchor. For the first time, I'm just going to show you the demo. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Naresh. So I'm coming to you. Fine, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah, hi, very good morning, everyone. My name is Chandan Singh from EWC News. Well, there is a breaking news coming that a rickshaw puller has been thrashed to death. For further detail, I'm going to connect to our correspondent, Mr. Naresh. Naresh, can you hear me, buddy?
Yes, I can comprehend you, sir.
Okay, Naresh, this is really very tragic incident took place. Could you please elaborate what the matter is basically?
Basically, sir, this matter has been really heinous and brutal. So this incident took place a day ago when a rickshaw puller was on his way to his home, and then a car hit his rickshaw, and after that a quarrel broke out between the rickshaw puller and the car driver, and then after seeing it, the rickshaw puller got angry, and he started abusing the car driver, and after that they started fighting with each other. So there was another guy with the car driver who was his friend, and then they started beating the rickshaw puller brutally and mercilessly, and for that matter they also used iron rods, and finally they beat him mercilessly, and finally the rickshaw puller gave up on his life, and fell into a peaceful sleep forever. He was the only person who would pull the rickshaw to manage two square meals a day for his family. So I think it was a really great, it was really brutal or
Yeah,
very
definitely,
ruthless
Naresh.
crime.
It's quite gruesome and brutal incident happened. Naresh, since you are available just in front of the house of the rickshaw puller, so could you please connect with the wife of rickshaw puller so that we can come to know about some more truth?
Yeah, but I think his wife is not available here, but I can take you through another guy who is a shopkeeper.
Okay, Pawan, you become the shopkeeper, buddy.
Yes, 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 sir.
Okay, so can you please tell us, hello, what's your name?
Yes, yes. Yeah, my name is Pawan.
Okay, so your name is Pawan. So what do you do?
Yes, sir. Actually, I work on a tea stall.
He has a tea stall,
Hello?
Naresh. He has a tea stall, yeah. Hello, Naresh, can you hear me? I think we have lost the connection. So now I'm going to connect with our other correspondent. Naresh, तुम्हारी जॉब चली जाएगी, मैं दूसरे से कनेक्ट करा दूंगा, नरेश.
It happened lots of time on TV news channel as well.
Yeah.
They
Definitely. So Pawan, could you please elaborate what the matter is basically? What did you see? Since you said that you are at the tea stall, you were at the tea stall that time. You run a tea stall. So what exactly did you see?
Yeah, sir. Actually, I was going to close my shop, and I heard a screaming of that rickshaw person. So I came out from my shop, and I saw that that one guy was fighting with him, and I wanted to help him, but but just because of there were two three people, so I was helpless. That is why I didn't help him. So when they started thrashing him, I was seeing to that person, and when they left the place, then I went there. Uh, and I saw that he was injured brutally, and I called to police cops. I called to police, and police came there and took him to the hospital. But meanwhile, he had already died.
Okay. So whose fault was this, Pawan? What do you think?
Actually, if someone is driving the car on the road, so I think they should take care of this thing because they have a heavy vehicle. So we cannot blame to the rickshaw person because he was coming in a very low speed, and the car driver was not aware, and I think he was drunk, and he was coming in with very high speed, and he directly ran into rickshaw. And after that, even he did mistake, and even then he was starting to fight with him. So this is the completely mistake of that car person, and might be as soon as possible the police will get him.
Okay, thank you, Pawan, for giving this further detail. So, viewers, do not go anywhere. We'll be right back after a short commercial break. Keep watching EWC News. Well, guys, so I believe everybody understood what the program is. This is for fluency, guys, and I'm just going to write down all the errors, mistakes, whatever the guys are making. Fine. So, Pawan, you said once "to," like in Hindi, you said "to." It happens sometimes, like some people say "ki," some people say "to." While speaking, it happens. So suddenly,
Yeah, I'm habitual of word to, matlab ki.
yeah.
I'm
So
habitual
you
of
have to
this
get
thing.
rid of these things. You said
Yes,
he
yes, yes.
had already dead. The sentence should have been he had already died, not dead. There is difference between dead
Okay.
and died. Die you have to use as a
So,
verb.
it means died is the third form of death,
Die.
right?
Die, third
Die.
form is died. Death is not verb.
Okay.
Dead is also not verb.
Okay.
Dead is adjective, like he is
Okay.
dead, she is dead, like this. But if you want to say
Right,
that
right.
he had already died, means passed away. He was
Married.
not
Okay.
alive.
Okay.
This is
So it is like dead, die, and what will be
one.
the
One is
third form?
death. One is death. Okay. Death is
Death.
not a verb.
Then
Dead is also not a verb. Die is a verb. You can make forms of die. Die, dies, died, like this. You can't say dead.
okay, okay,
Dead is something
okay. I
different.
got it, sir.
Okay. Sometimes you say my phone is dead. So you can't say my phone has
Yes,
died, but my phone is dead. You can say, yeah.
yes.
Fair enough. This guy, I think, has come back. What is the name? Naresh has come
Yeah,
back.
Naresh.
Yeah.
Yes,
Anyways,
yes, yes.
it is over now. Pawan, you have to choose your topic, and Dharika, since you were saying that you have to come to this batch, so you have to take this challenge. Okay, Dharika.
Sir, I'll try.
And sir,
Mhm.
and sir, actually, you do one thing, sir.
Hmm.
You just choose the topic for me in which I face lots of challenge, and that will be difficult for me. And I want to I want to play the role of the reporter so that I could speak lots of things, and so that I could make the story.
Okay, fair enough. See, all the topics are quite challenging, so you have to choose any topic whichever you want out of this. See, number one has already been done. Now, if you want, you can start this number two. This is very important. Like a son of an illustrious businessman was kidnapped. Illustrious means quite famous, well-known businessman whose son was kidnapped. So you can be the reporter. One person out of these students will be the businessman, or you can connect to the
So
police
I can
officer
take
also.
the name. I can take the name like Ambani or Tata. I mean, is that no
But
issue? No? Because it's just coding.
you can take the name out of these students. Okay.
Okay,
You
okay.
can take the
Over I
name
like.
like Naresh, the rich guy. You can take the name like this.
Okay, okay. From our classes only.
Yeah, from classes only. Okay.
Okay, sir. No
So
issues.
now,
Yeah, I'm ready.
now I'm giving this chance to Dharika to become the TV anchor. Dharika, the way I presented being a TV anchor, you have to do the same. Okay, I will help you out, don't worry. You just have to say, hi, I am Dharika from, don't take any other channel, take only this channel name. That's why I'm wearing this t-shirt. EWC, because
EWC.
yeah, EWC News. So say that I am Dharika from EWC News and just read out this news. You can say that there is a breaking news coming from Mumbai or Delhi that the son of an illustrious businessman was kidnapped. And then you have to say, I am going to connect with our correspondent, Mr. Pawan. This is all. Do you want to try, Dharika?
Yes, sir.
Fair enough. Go ahead.
Hello, everyone. My name is Dharika. I am from EWC channel. There is a breaking news coming from Mumbai that the son of an illustrious businessman was kidnapped. So I'm going to connect you with Mr. Pavan.
Yeah.
So, Pavan.
Thank you, Ms. Harika. And I am there only on the spot where that son of the businessman was kidnapped. And I also talked to his father, and he confirmed me that his son was at his school, and he didn't reach to home by 2:30 p.m. As he left left from the school by 12:30. So first his dad didn't take any tension, and he thought that he went to his friend's home. But when he didn't come by 5:30 p.m., so he called to his friend and asked about him. So his friend said that he was with me by 2:30, but after that he left the place. So then he understood that there was something there was something bad thing happened with him. So he called to police and told them all things about him. So and after that he also received a phone call from the kidnapper, and he asked for 5 lakh rupees. And even his father was requesting to him that he don't have he doesn't have 5 lakh rupees. But he said that if he will not provide him the 5 lakh rupees, so he will kill him. But the police said to him that you don't need to worry, because they have already got his number and they will trace it, and by the tracing they will get the kidnapper. So all this thing happened yesterday.
Okay, Dharika, you can ask him to connect to someone, like maybe the father of the son who has been kidnapped, the businessman.
Can you connect us with the father of this business, father of that
Yes.
sir boy? What should I say, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, father.
Sure.
That word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I tried to connect with him. Yeah.
Guys, does anyone want to play the character of the businessman whose son has been kidnapped? Anyone out of you?
I can play, sir. I can play by myself only. I can become father as well.
Okay, go ahead. Ask question to yourself
Oh.
and reply.
Yes. So yes, Mr. Ram, how did it happen last night? Yeah, actually I was sleeping at home, and I checked the timing that it was 2:30 p.m. and my son didn't come home, so I got worried. And by 5:30 p.m. I called to his friend, but he didn't give me the exact information about him. So I thought that something is big happened with him. So I called to police, and within 15 minutes, police came there and probed the information to me. So meanwhile, I also received a call from the kidnapper, and he asked me 5 lakh rupees. And he also told me that don't try to connect with the police, otherwise we will kill your son. And I'm really scared. I have only one son, and I want him back to my home. And police is also trying to find him. And the inspector of the investigation came here with himself, and he promised me that he came back. He will come. He will take him back to home.
That's fine. Now you can close the news and go to Dharika.
Yeah, so that's all, Harika. Harika, are you there?
Dharika, your audio is off, Dharika.
Yes, yes, sir, I'm here.
So,
So, okay, so
now you
that
have,
all has been done. So,
so now you have to
Yes,
say
yes, yes.
thank you to
thank you.
Pawan and say
Yes.
viewers कि आप जुड़े रहो बाद में मिलते हैं.
Yeah, thank you so much, Pawan, for telling us all these details, and please
Thank
connect
you
with
so much,
us.
Harika.
Please connect with us with
Thank you.
EWC channel. Keep watching. Thank
Thank you.
you.
Lovely.
Thank you,
Lovely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Lovely. Good one. Pawan, you have some,
Yes.
like you repeat the sentences. So repetition
Yes,
should
yes.
not be there. So I
Yes,
will
sir.
just focus on this repetition. Within a week, I just want that there should be some changes. Repetition should not be there.
Yes,
Suppose
yes.
you said a sentence like he didn't, he didn't. You spoke 2 times. He didn't, he didn't. You said he left, he left, he left 3 times. You said so.
No, because actually what I was doing, I was trying to get the time so that I could make the sentence. But you just tell me how I can how I can overcome it. So I will practice at home.
Yeah, there is only one solution to overcome this issue, which is called take a pause. Instead of repeating, you have to take a pause. Suppose if I say, there are two ways to say a story. If I say that yesterday I went to market, and there I saw a girl. If I'm repeating this, or if I have this bad habit to repeat, in order to get over this, I can take pause. Like I can say yesterday, pause. I'm
Okay.
not repeating, because if I feel like repeating, I will just take a pause. That yesterday I went to market, I saw a beautiful girl. Seeing the girl, I got drawn towards her. I thought to go and talk to her. So finally I went to her and I said, "Excuse me, ma'am, can I talk to you?" When she turned, she was not a girl, she was a boy. Like I can create a story like this. This
Sir,
is
I
Wait,
what.
I
tend
mean
to.
actually,
I to. Sir, I
yes.
tend to speak like this, and many celebrities also tend to follow this rule. I have seen many celebrities, prominent celebrities,
Yes, because I'm
like the.
telling you, yeah, Pawan. Suppose you are going to face an interview, and in interview you're saying, "Sir, yeah, actually, 3 times you're saying actually, sir, I went." The person is not going to select you. People need quite neat
But
and clean English.
I have fired from so many interviews just because
I
of it.
have been
Sir.
fired. Been. I have been fired.
Yeah, I have been fired, sir.
So I want changes within a week, and it is
Yes.
you who has to do all the things. Okay.
Yes, 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 sir. Yes,
Fair
sir.
enough. Fine. And some sentences were wrong. Like you say, I called. It was like I called to his friend or something. Don't say to when you say call. I called his friend.
Okay.
It should have been like this. He asked me 5 lakhs rupees. So he asked me for 5 lakhs rupees. For.
Okay.
And there was something bad thing happen. Happen or happened, I
Means,
couldn't understand. So
happened. Actually, I wanted to say happened, but just because of the flow, might be I said
happen.
happen.
Okay, no issue. So this is the problem. Otherwise, you are good at English. There is no problem. Fine. So since most of the people are quite new here, so I don't think they are going to try. So Shaili, are you there?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Sir, I want to become a principal of the school.
principal of the school. Okay, but let me see the topic. What the topic is basically.
Sir, वही kidnapping वाला.
Okay, now kidnapping is over. It is done now. Kidnapping is over. Shaili, have you chosen any topic?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Fire broke out in Shugotam.
I just want to know that how many people who have taken admission. Pawan, you have taken admission, fine. And
Yes, sir.
Naresh has taken admission. Shaili, you have taken admission too, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes.
okay. So Shaili, which topic have you chosen? Fire broke
Fire.
out.
Sir, fifth. Yes,
Fifth
sir.
one. Okay. So if anyone out of these people who are taking demo want to play any character, please you can speak out. Fire broke out in a shoe go down, so you can talk to the owner of the shoe go down. Honor is required as a witness, and Shaili is going to be the reporter. So okay, that's fine. 2 people. Does anyone want to become the news anchor, TV anchor?
Hello.
Yes, I want to pick up.
Hello,
Yeah.
Chandan sir.
Yes. speak up.
Hello.
Yeah, Mukesh, come on, speak up, buddy.
Yeah. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, I want to also join and play the character of whether is a
So, Mukesh, why don't you
shop
become the
owner or
owner of the shoe go down? You run a shoe go down, okay?
yeah.
And suddenly fire broke out. So, when the reporter will come to you and ask you some questions, you just have to speak whatever you feel. You were available there or you were not available there, you can just talk about everything.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So, Mukesh is going to be the owner of the shoe go down. Shaili, you are the reporter,
Yes.
and Pavan
sir.
is the news anchor, the TV anchor who is in the studio and is speaking. Fine?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Let's get started.
Hi, this is Pawan Rathi from EWC channel, and there's a breaking news coming that one of the shoe go down has been fire broke out. So
Little wrong
I'm
English.
directly
Let me correct it. You can't say has been fired broke out. You can say that fire broke out in a shoe go down in blah blah place. You can take the name of the
fi-
place.
fire broke out.
Hmm. In a shoe go down.
Okay,
Hmm.
in the shoe go down. Okay, sir.
Fine.
Okay. So I'm again starting, sir. So hi, this is Pawan Rathi from EWC channel, and the breaking news is coming from Bihar that fire broke out in the show go down, and I'm directly going to my colleague
Shaili.
who's
Ye-
available on the spot. So hey Shirley, could you tell us how did it happen?
Yes. Yes, sir. I am located at that place, and it is a very congested area, and it is in an old Delhi in Chandni Chowk. And I would like to tell you, this fire broke out happened in the morning hours, and this godam is used for collect the every kind of the shoes and leather which are stored here. And this incident happened in the morning around the 9 o'clock, and after that, uh, around oh, around everywhere is a smoke, and the people who lives here had gathered here, and they called the firefighter, and they came here within half hour, but it took them at least 2 hours to control the situation, because as you can see, this is a very crowded area, and around the factory there are so many small shops. That's why it took so long, and the cause of the fire has not known yet, and the police investigation is going out to find out the cause of the fire. And in total incident, around 2 people are died, and more than 15 people are badly injured. And the chief minister of this area promised to give around 2 lakh compensation to the family who lost their life in the incident, and 20,000 around those who badly injured in this incident. And sir, and for more detail, I would like to connect the owner of this factory who was available here at the time of the incident.
Mukesh.
Yes, Mukesh. Mukesh,
Yes. Yes.
can you hear me?
Yes. Tell me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, can you could you please tell me how this incident happened?
Actually, it is very difficult to tell you how this incident got happened. I have been running this shop from 20 years. Nothing has happened till now, but it might be some short circuit. It might be some other cause, which investigation will over. Then police will find out how it got happened. But I would like to tell you there were 20 workers in my shoes shop who has been working from some 5 year or 6 years. When I shut my shop at 10 p.m. yesterday, there were 20 people inside that shop. So 2 people have been died, and some other got injured. So exactly what the treatment is being going on of the worker who has been injured in this incident, when they will get recovered, they will tell you how got it happened. But I but the situation seem to be, it might be some shortcut circuit, and some might be some other issues that will be investigation bit going on, and then police person will tell you how it got happened. So I don't tell you the exact cause of the incident.
Okay.
Hello.
So as you heard that I talked to the owner of the Godam, but he didn't have any idea how did this incident happen, and maybe due to the short circuits and investigation is going on, and police update about the cause of the incident, and this is that's all about the news.
Okay.
Thank you, Shelly. Thank you for providing us with details, and we will come back to you for further news. Thank you so much.
Mukesh, your camera is on. If you want, you can turn off, or if you want, you can show your face, because you know, this video is being recorded actually, so it has already been recorded whatever you showed. Anyways, Shaili, you spoke go down is used for. It should have been is used for. You know, go down is used for, you know, blah blah things. You cannot say use for. The people who lives here. You said people who lives here. You can't say lives. Okay. Yeah. People who live. Uh, investigation is going out. You say, or going on. Should have
You're
been
not
going
saying going on.
going on.
Going.
Okay, you said two people are died. You can't say are died. You can say either two people have died. Okay. You can't say are died. Like दो लोग मारे जाते हैं. Or you can say two people are dead. दो लोग मरे हुए are dead. You can say.
Yes.
Or have died कह सकते. Or you have lost their lives. You can say. Two people have lost their lives. You can say like this. It was the mistake. Mukesh said two people have been died. This is also wrong. So you can say two people have died, मर चुके हैं, like this. How it got happen? Mukesh said how it got happen. This is wrong. How it happened? It should have been how it happened. Like, so minor mistakes are being made by the
सर
students.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
Hmm.
सर हाउ डिड इट हैपन हो सकता है बिकॉज देयर इज नो सब्जेक्ट हियर so did
Yes.
can we use did
Of course, of course, of course.
Even I also used did. How did it happen?
how
There is-
did it happen मतलब
They,
किसने
there is difference. If I say how did it happen, it means I'm asking a question. How did it happen? If I'm saying, could you please tell me? If I add this, then you can't use did. Could you please tell me how it happened? Now this is correct. If you are not adding any other sentence before this how, then simply ask how did it happen. But could you please tell me? I don't know. Then how it happened? This is the difference.
sir actually
So it means in this condition, we are not asking the question. We are just telling that how it happened.
Yeah.
no sir did it used to talk about a subject like it is used with a subject like, but
And
I think
it is
here
the
no
subject. Why it is the subject here? We are indicating it. How did it happen? It. We are indicating it. It to the incident.
okay.
We are not taking. If I'm not saying it, I can say how did the incident happen. So incident is the particular thing we are talking. We are indicating
Yes.
that is the subject what we are talking
Yeah,
about.
sir.
Got it?
Got it.
Lovely. So now
क्या
guys.
पता मैं बैठ गया.
Yeah, Mukesh, which language do you know, buddy? Your regional. What is your regional language, Mukesh?
Yeah, sorry.
But we would love to know what is your regional language. Tamil.
No, no, sir. I am from UP.
Okay, UP. Fine. Fine. So Dharika, come on, Dharika, break the ice. At least.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, who is there?
Sir. Sir, Swaleha.
Okay, you want to speak? Swaleha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Swaleha. Which topic do you want to choose?
The cop's bike has been stolen.
Okay, a cop's bike has been stolen. Fine, very bizarre news. Cop's bike has been stolen. So, fine, you are the reporter. We want that cop also, that police officer also whose bike was stolen. So, does anyone want to become the police officer? Out of
Yes,
you?
sir. I want to become
Okay, what's your name?
Naresh.
Acha, Naresh. I can't see you
Naresh.
from here. So Naresh is the police. Swaleha is the reporter. So one shopkeeper can also be there. who saw when the bike was parked and police officer went away from there, if you create this kind of story, so one witness is required. It could be either a shopkeeper or any passerby. Fine.
Sir, me Mukesh.
Mukesh is that witness, and Pawan, you be the TV anchor. Pawan,
Yes, yes, sir.
you're the TV anchor. Speaking means speak. लिखना भूल जाइए, सिर्फ बोलिए, तब फराटेदार बनेंगे.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead, come on, Pawan.
Okay. Okay. Hi, this is Pawan from EWC channel, and you are watching EWC, and there's a breaking news coming from Delhi that one bike has been stolen off the police, and it is really hilarious, and I'm directly going to my correspondent to get the complete news. So hey, Mr. कौन था वो? सॉरी सर, मैं भूल गया पर्सन कौन था. शेलोनी.
Swaleha.
Swaleha.
Swaleha. Hello, this is Swaleha. Hello. कौन बोल रहा था? पवन सर आप थे?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello Pawan. So I am Swaleha, and I am on the spot where one of our cops' bike has been stolen from his house. Last night he parked his bike in his parking, and as we had seen in the camera recording, that man broke the lock and stole the bike. And first he broke the gate locks, and second he broke his bike lock with some techniques, and he took the bike very nicely without making any noise, so no one has noticed anything, and without any noise, and we feel very bad
so
for that cop.
Okay, so is there any
Hello?
witness of this incident?
Sir, let me
Hello?
speak.
Let her complete her speech, no? Yeah, go ahead, Swaleha.
Okay.
Okay, so we feel very bad for that cop, and the one question is here that when our police property is not safe in our country, so how are people's normal people's properties will safe? So it is the big question for our country. So police are searching for that thief, and he will be caught soon, and that all I got from the spot, and we have that cop whose bike is stolen. So sir, please tell us how your bike has been stolen.
Thank you.
Sir.
Actually, yesterday I went to market to purchase some things, and so for that matter, as soon as I reached the shop, so I parked my car,
Bike.
and
Bike.
I parked my bike, and then I walked up to the shop to buy things, and I started buying things, and in the twinkling of an eye, an efficient thief came there, and he played trick on me, and being a policeman, I am ashamed of myself because he cost me an arm and leg. And so when I was there, so I was busy in purchasing things. So then he made the best use of that time, and he started making a planning to commit a theft. So he came closer to the bike and started and trying to steal it. And finally, my bike was stolen. And when I came out of the shop, so having seen my bike, I got astonished, and I called one of my colleagues and lodged an FIR. Then police investigation got started, and after a couple of hours, finally the thief was arrested, and now he is in police custody, and he will be punished as the government as the law. So this is what happened with me, and it has been really cheating matter for me. So I can't forget this incident in my whole life. It left a bad taste in my mouth. So this is what happened with me.
Okay, So we hope you get your bike soon. And that's all we
You
got
can.
Yes, yes.
from the police.
Okay, then I think witness is not required. Yeah. So now you can go back to Pawan. You can say, and Soleha, you can say like Pawan. So as you heard
Yes, sir.
that I was talking to the police officer, and by speaking like this, you can say, so this is Soleha with camera person, Raju with the. I mean, from EWC News,
Okay.
like you can create that drama also. You know, the reporter
Okay.
does the drama.
So we that's all, guys. We got from the police, and I'm sorry, sir.
I'm Soleha with the cameraman. Suppose
I'm Soaleha with the cameraman Raju and
from
okay,
EWC News.
from EWC News.
Lovely. Now, Pawan, over to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sohaila, and we will get back to you for more news. Thank you so much.
Sir,
Lovely.
Thank you.
sir, can I use a conditional sentence? I want to use it. So please tell me whether it is correct or not.
Hmm.
So like I want to say that my bike could have been saved if I had kept watch on the bike.
या अगर मैंने नजर रखी होती तो बचा ली
हाँ,
गई
तो मैं वो बता लेता.
बचा ठीक करेक्ट fair enough now who would like to try guys
Sir, could you please tell me my mistake?
there was no mistake and you started using some idiom phrases really great Naresh
Yeah,
you are
yeah.
doing very hard work
Hmm.
good one
Sir, I did
Thank
any
you, sir.
mistake?
property will save you said property will be safe B की प्रॉब्लम थी बाकी ठीक
Will
था
be safe. Okay.
एंड अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग को अब जब आप देखेंगे ना तो शायद आपको और भी मिलेगी अच्छा यार मैंने ये शायद गलत बोल दिया ऐसा होता है रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना कम ऑन
Yes, sir.
एनीवन कम ऑन धारिका आज तो ट्राई करो धारिका क्या है एक ऑन द स्पॉट करो
Sir. Okay, sir. I want to choose the topic.
How can I find out my recording, sir? It is being recorded.
या इट इज बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड आप ये वीडियो देख लीजिएगा यूट्यूब पे आएगा या धारिका
Sir, sir, I would like to continue with the topic. A servant stole cash worth rupees 5 lakh from the house of a senior citizen.
okay so Shaili you are the senior citizen Shaili
Okay, sir.
okay Shaili is the senior citizen and there was a servant working in your house who has stolen 5 lakh rupees so Dharika is the reporter Shaili is the senior citizen that's fine and who has to be the TV anchor this time anyone
Sir,
anyone can become okay then
sir,
Sir,
give a chance to someone else a girl wants to try who wants to try to be a TV anchor
Yes, yes, sir.
what's your name
Shelly.
Shaili you're the senior citizen you're the main character You're
Okay,
the,
sir. Sir, may I try?
yeah you can try
Okay, sir.
what's your name
Jyoti Chaturvedi, sir.
it's the first day Jyoti
Yes, sir.
okay Jyoti so you are the TV anchor come on let's get started go ahead
So, good morning. This is Jyoti Chaturvedi and from Chhattisgarh.
EWC
this
news
news-
EWC news
This n- and I am news from EWS6. And this news coming from Delhi. A servant stole cash worth 5 lakh rupees from the house of a senior citizen. A citizen had been lived for 20 years. And what happened? Let's look at what's happened with seniors. Okay. Okay? Sahi, what's your name, sir?
you have to say I'm going to connect with our correspondent Shaili speak like this
Okay. I'm going to corresponding with Sally.
going to
Hi,
connect
Sally. Here are you? Sally? Can you hear me?
Shaili has
Yes,
joined
yes, I
another
can
channel
hear.
I think Shaili are
So
you
no,
still
no,
connected?
I can hear. Sir, I am a
So,
senior
Sally,
citizen.
can you?
Acha,
so,
Shaili is the
Sally,
senior
I
citizen.
am
Dharika is the
reporter.
reporter. Sorry, Dharika is the reporter.
Okay.
Dharika is the reporter.
So, Dharika, here are you?
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Okay. Could you tell me what's wrong with senior citizen?
Yeah, I'm standing in front of senior citizen house as as I have talked with them, that they have told me that a servant who has been working in their house for 7 years and they used to rely on him, and this incident never happened with him. But this time the servant has dissed them, and he stole cash and some jewelry also. As the citizens are very old, they can't do their work on their own, so they totally relied on him, and mm, that servant used to do each and everything for them, so they totally leave everything upon him. um, but this time the servant had done something really bad with them. He stole a lot of things from their house apart from jewelry and cash also, as that senior citizen has told us. So I'm going to connect you with the senior citizen whose jewelry and cash has been stolen from their house. So yes, it's over to
Yes.
you, Shally.
You can ask
Okay.
Dharika. You
Thank
have
you.
to ask question first. That what happened, ma'am? Kab hua? Kaise hua? Like this.
What did this happen, ma'am? Like
My
that.
servant, who was my old servant, and I believe him. He was very innocent, like something. But yesterday night, he stole our jewelry and around 5 lakh money from our house when we were sleeping.
कब रखा था नौकरी पे? आपको डाउट नहीं हुआ? Dharika has to ask all
From
the
from
questions.
how long he has been working? Has he been working with you?
He had been working here for 7 years.
So has he done all these things with you
No, he
earlier
never
also?
done. No, no, he
Mm.
never done such thing before, because he always pretend like he was very nice guy and he cares about us. That he never, it's never happened before.
I can, sir,
Yeah.
I can play the role of his neighbor.
Yeah,
Mm.
Dharika. Connect to the neighbor, Dharika.
So I'm going to connect you with the neighbor, with the senior citizen neighbor, Mukesh. Yes, Mukesh.
Hello, yeah, I am Mukesh, the neighbor is of the victim. I have been living his neighbor last 15 years. Actually, the old man has one son, and he has been living in USA for last 20 years, and his son has informed he will land soon in Delhi. Actually, his old man is very old. His condition is not up to the mark. He is not able to do his work his own. So he has been hired the one servant from some relatives. He has been the servant has been working with him for last 5 years. He had not done anything wrong before that. He very rely on that. I don't know how he uh,
Did it.
got did it that, and how he got all these things. So how he has happened. But when his son come here, we will he will take care his father or not. We will see later. Hello, back to you. Whatever the name, I sorry, I forget the name.
Dharika.
Dha- what is that?
Dharika. Dharika.
Dharika. Back to you, Dharika.
Okay, Dharika, you can ask about the nature, the age of the servant, the behavior with the neighbors of the servant.
So what is the age of that servant?
Actually, the neighbor age around 75 of uh, 80. It seemed to be quite older than 65 or 75.
She's asking about the servant's age.
Servant.
Servant's age.
Pardon?
So what is the age of servant?
Servant is around 25 and 26. 25 and 26. So
So how was his behavior with
I
their
never
honors?
I never talked to the servant, but sometime sometime I used to meet with the older person at a nearby park. Sometimes servant made him with him to the park, so I meet them. Sometime I discuss with some political issue. Sometime I discuss with about his son how is doing there, and about his daughter-in-law. So his nature was quite I can say quite
Humble, cool, calm.
unbulk, calm, and
Okay,
he
okay,
was
okay.
shy person. He was not.
Okay, Dharika. So
Yes.
close the news
So,
and go to Jyoti.
yeah, as Mukesh has told us that what all has been done, or how was the nature of that guy, and so we can't assume any person with their personality, as he has told us that he looked very cool and calm person, but who knows that this thing is going to happen, and he stole a lot of jewelries and cash, as we have heard from the senior citizen and their neighbor also. So that's all. I'm going back to
Studio.
speaker. Yes, sir.
Studio. I'm going back to
Thank you
studio.
so much,
Studio,
Dharika.
studio, sir. Yes.
Thank you so much, Dharika, for more for details, and we will get back to you very soon. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, suddenly TV anchor changed, eh? Jyoti to Pawan. Anyways, guys, it was amazing. Now, guys, I would like to do some rapid fire round with you. Okay.
Okay.
So let's get started. Rapid fire round. So, Pawan,
Yes, sir.
first I'm going to ask you some questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine. So, तुम्हें कल वहाँ बैठना चाहिए था, कैसे बोलेंगे?
You should have sat there.
ओके. मैं उसकी जान बचा सकता था.
I could have saved his life.
तुम्हें वहाँ होना चाहिए था.
You should have been. You should have been there.
ओके. फाइन. मुझे क्या करना चाहिए?
What should I do?
मेरे पास क्या होना चाहिए?
What should I have?
तुम्हारे पास कल कुछ पैसे होने चाहिए थे.
You should had some money yesterday.
You should had होता है क्या?
Sir, you should have had.
You should have
You
had.
should have. Yeah. Even yesterday I noticed this thing. Still I'm not.
दुनिया का कोई
You
ऐसा
should
ग्रामर
have.
पैदा नहीं हुआ है कि मॉडल के तुरंत बाद थर्ड फॉर्म आ जाए. हैव लगाना पड़ेगा. मॉडल अपने बाद सिर्फ बेस लेता है, जो होता है ना बेस फॉर्म, वो लेता है.
Yes, yes.
ओके,
okay.
फाइन. कल रात शायद वो कुछ कर रही होगी. शायद.
She could have done. She could have done something yesterday night.
Could have done.
So
तो
she
क्या?
might be doing something. She might be doing.
Might have been doing.
अब मैं दो ऑप्शन देता हूँ, उसमें आप बताना. She might be doing और she might have been doing. क्या होना
So
चाहिए?
she might have
Might
been.
have been.
Might.
Might have.
जब हम पास्ट
been.
में जाएंगे तो फिर हैव बीन तो करना पड़ेगा. ये है. फाइन. अच्छा, इस
Excuse me, sir.
वक्त जी बोलिए रंजना.
Your sentence does not describe that whether it was past, it was for past incident or for the future.
ठीक है, तो वैसे तो मैंने इशारों से बोल दिया था, मैं टाइम बता ही देता हूँ. कल रात बीता हुआ रात वही मान लो.
Okay, thank you.
हालांकि मैं ऐसे कर करके बता रहा था कि पास्ट की तरफ जा रहा है, बट
Sir,
सही
I
बोल.
have one problem with the sentence. Could you please correct it? Sir, जब मैं when I go to take a bath, so I always get confused.
Come on. What is going on? Yeah, Naresh, go ahead.
सर जैसे कि मेरी जो बाल्टी है वो पानी से भर रही है, सो आई ऑफन मेक सेंटेंस लाइक दिस, माई बकेट इज गेटिंग फिल्ड.
करेक्ट है, सही.
इज इट राइट?
या करेक्ट.
फिर मैं बनाता हूँ कि वाटर इज लाइक पोरिंग इनटू माय बकेट.
ये भी सही है, पानी भी गिर रहा है, बट गेटिंग फील्ड इज करेक्ट. गेटिंग फील्ड इज करेक्ट.
ठीक, ओके.
फेयर एनफ. फाइन. सो गाइस, रैपिड फायर और किससे करें? 2-3 मिनट हमारे पास बचा हुआ है.
Can I?
I'm here.
Sir, I'm
बहुत सारे लोग
May I try?
ओके जो ये रंजना से बात नहीं हुई ना, रंजना से पूछते हैं।
सर विद मुकेश।
अच्छा ठीक है,
भी नहीं हुआ।
फाइन, बट अभी तो खैर हो भी नहीं पाएगा। गाइस कल जो हम प्रोग्राम करेंगे वो होगा क्वेरलिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन। आज आपने क्या किया, एक रिपोर्टर का रोल किया। टुमारो यू द गाइज हैव टू क्वेरल विद ईच अदर। कोई दोस्ती नहीं होगी, दुश्मनी होगी कल। अब कैसे होगी, मान लो कि मैं एक टॉपिक आपको दूंगा और मैं बोलूंगा कि नरेश पवन से आपको झगड़ा करना है अंग्रेजी में। है ये कॉन्वर्सेशन, बट ये क्वेरलिंग है, सवाल जवाब भी होगा।
Yes, sir.
बट इसमें एक दूसरे को सुनना नहीं है, मतलब हाइपर होना है, बीपी बढ़ाना है कल। और मैं नोट डाउन करूंगा, मुझे बहुत फास्ट काम करना होगा, कौन गलत बोल रहा है कौन सही बोल रहा है बहुत नोट करना होगा। आई विल सेंड यू द टॉपिक्स टू द ग्रुप, वो कल हम करके देखेंगे। फ्लुएंसी प्रोग्राम है।
सर ये जैसे एक बारी माइट हैव शुड हैव वाली जो चीज है वो मैं मतलब कोई वीडियो है सिर्फ जो मैं आपकी देख के क्लियर कर दूं?
यस, पूरा वीडियो है और मैं ये सारा कराऊंगा भी इस बैच में भी। मैं सारा मॉडल कंडीशनल अपने हिसाब से करा भी दूंगा, बट अभी हमें
Disclaimer.
क्या
Sir,
कहना।
disclaimer. So don't you like to give a disclaimer that this topic doesn't contain like abusing language?
ठीक है, मैं कल डिस्क्लेमर डाल दूंगा, बट आप लोग गाली मत देना एक दूसरे को प्लीज। क्वेरलिंग में भी गाली नहीं करना है, गाली गलौज नहीं करना है। फाइन
Sir, actually I am habitual of
आपकी fight
abusive word.
पवन क्या कह रहे हो?
Sir, I am saying that I am habitual of abusive word in English, so I will overcome that. I will not speak that word. But if I speak, so please forgive me for that.
कैजुअल लाइफ में चलता है पवन, इन लाइक सपोज यू आर टॉकिंग टू योर फ्रेंड सर्किल एंड ऑल, ठीक है वहाँ चलता है, बट एक प्रोफेशनल वे पे हम गाली गलौज कैसे करेंगे, अच्छा नहीं लगेगा।
नहीं कर सकते।
और इंग्लिश मूवीज आप देखोगे तो इंसान तो कान ऐसे बंद कर लेता है, इतनी गालियां होती है इंग्लिश मूवीज में। तो खैर कोई नहीं, उनका स्टाइल है,
अमेरिकन यस
उनका स्टाइल है, डोंट वरी।
Do you still watch English movies?
या एक मिनट, मैं रंजना से जरा 2-4 सवाल करूँ, फिर लेट भी हो रहा है। ओके रंजना, रेडी?
Sir, I am Rekha Gupta.
अच्छा,
This
sorry.
is my cousin's ID actually.
गाइस जो आईडी पे लिखा है इंसान वही पढ़ेगा, मैं रेखा लिख लेता हूँ।
Yes, sir.
ओके रेखा, फाइन।
Sorry, sir.
चलिए,
Yeah.
सो फाइन। तुम्हें कल वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए था, फास्ट।
You should not. You should not have gone there
ओके,
yesterday.
मुझे मत हंसाओ।
Don't make me laugh.
ओके, मैं आपसे इस काम को करवाऊंगा।
I will make you do the work.
ओके, वेरी गुड। कल मैंने उसे पिटवा दिया।
I made. No, sir. I
गलत हो गया। Fine.
sorry, sir. Yes.
किसी से बनेगा ये? मैंने कल उसे
I
पिटवा
got
दिया।
him bitten
I
yesterday.
got him
Yes,
beaten
sir.
yesterday.
I will-
I got.
फाइन गाइस, तो ये गॉट होगा, क्यों होगा इसे हम कंडीशनल में देख लेंगे, पॉजिटिव में देख लेंगे, बहुत कुछ है। सो गाइस अभी गाइस वक्त नहीं, नेक्स्ट बैच इज देयर। लेट मी टेल यू, आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड यू द टॉपिक। आपको टॉपिक मिल जाएगा जहां पर हम करेंगे क्वेरलिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन कल। आप मुझे बताना कि आप नंबर 1 लेते हो, नंबर 2 लेते हो, लेकिन आप तभी बता पाओगे क्योंकि एक टॉपिक पे 2 लोगों को काम करना है। यू हैव टू डिसाइड कि आपका पार्टनर कौन होगा। तो ग्रुप में आप ये बोल सकते हो कि अच्छा मैं पहला टॉपिक ले रहा हूं, तो क्या पवन तुम मेरे पार्टनर बनोगे? ऐसे मान लो कि 10 लोग हैं तो फिर 5 ही टॉपिक उठेगा ना, एक टॉपिक पे 2 लोग हैं।
यस सर।
और टोटल उसमें मैंने 15 टॉपिक्स रखे हैं ताकि हम अगले बार भी उसे नेक्स्ट टाइम कर पाए। तो मैं भेज दूंगा। तो गाइस कल का हमारा टारगेट है फ्राइडे, हर फ्राइडे आप लोगों का टेस्ट होता है, चाहे वो रैपिड फायर का हो, चाहे मैं बता दूंगा कि मैं टेंस का टेस्ट लूंगा, कि मैं मॉडल्स का टेस्ट लूंगा, मैं पहले ही बता दिया करूंगा आपको। हर फ्राइडे आपका टेस्ट होगा। और अगर मान लो कि मैंने कहा कि मैं मॉडल्स का टेस्ट लेता हूं और मॉडल में मुझे प्रॉब्लम लगी तो फिर मैं पढ़ाना शुरू करूंगा। सो ये हमारा बैच होगा।
ओके सर।
और जिसको मैंने बताया कि हेजिटेशन वाले जो लोग हैं, जो करते हैं, रिपीट करते हैं, पॉज ले लीजिए, यही एक उपाय है। और नहीं तो फिर रिपीट बहुत खराब चीज है ये पवन, खासकर आपको कह रहा हूँ मैं, रिपीट करना बहुत खराब चीज है।
यस सर, आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ इट।
चलिए ठीक है गाइस, चले फिर। और जितने भी नए लोग हैं गाइस, अगर आपको ज्वाइन करना है, आपको पता है रूल क्या है ज्वाइन करने का, आपको एडमिशन लेना होगा। अगर आप नहीं करते हैं तो आपको रिमूव कर दिया जाएगा। आई एम बाउंड टू डू दैट। तो आप मुझे इन्फॉर्म करना अपना नाम लिखकर भेजना कि कौन ज्वाइन करना चाहता है, इस बैच में रहना चाहता है। चलिए गाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच।